Yes, very good afternoon. Welcome back to our new session. Last class we learned how to prove root 2 is irrational, and I gave you homework root 5, root 7, root 11, root 13. Now there are different pattern questions. Those all questions are going to work in one pattern, whereas these questions, it will be 5 minus root 3, 6 plus root 2, 7 root 2 or 6 root 5 are going to work in a different pattern. Now we are going to see the next pattern of solving these questions. Now what is going to prove? We are supposed to prove that 6 plus root 2 is irrational. When you want to prove that, you take a proof. Let us assume that 6 plus root 2 is rational. When we assume the 6 plus root 2 is rational, we are also going to take 6 plus root 2, nothing but equating to a by b, where b should not be 0. When b is 0, you cannot solve. And a and b are integers and co-primes. They are integers and co-primes. Now start solving. Here no need to do squaring like previous. Just send 6 to other end. So root 2 equal to what? A by b minus 6. Here 6 is an integer, a is an integer, b is an integer because a and b are integers. When all three are integers, meaning this total term will be rational. When this is rational, this is also rational. So this is rational. Root 2 will also be rational. But you know the fact, just now we proved in the previous video that root 2 is what? Irrational. So root 2 cannot be rational. So this contradicts the fact that root 2 is rational. Why this contradiction came? Why this problem came? Because we assumed it is rational. So that's why our contradiction is wrong. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 is irrational. 6 plus root is irrational, hence true. And in the same pattern, 5 minus root 3, 7 root 2, 6 root 5 are going to work. If you want one more question, I am also going to give 7 plus root 7 and the next sixth one, 6 minus root 3. These all are going to be irrational and are going to prove the same concept. And with this, our chapter 1 concluded. And I hope so you learned a lot. We started with introduction. Then we learned Fundamental Theorem of Arithmetic. Then LCM, HCF. And what is the relation between LCM and HCF and product of two numbers. And some questions of the exercise and proof of irrationality. With this, we conclude our chapter. Have a good day. Let's enjoy learning. Let's continue the next chapter, the next video. Thank you.